Hey there, welcome to this new video. So in this video, we are going to learn about two commands. First is copy command and second one is move command. But these two commands are very important if you are doing programming or you are writing articles or anything. So now we will go to command prompt. So copy command, copy command will copy the content of one file to another file, and move command will move the content of one file to another file. So in this here I am going to show you the copy command. Now we will create a new folder. So with the help of make dir command, we will create a folder name trial one. Let I have created a folder name trial one. You can create anyone you want. Now I have come to trial one. Here we will create file with the help of type null command. Type null, let the name of my file is trial file1.cpp, and another file I'm making file2.cpp. See, I have created two files. One is file 1 and another is file 2. Now let I am writing let I am creating a cpp file. I have created a file, means I have written something in file cpp file. I have saved it. Now if you want to see what I have written in file 1, you can type file 1 cpp. You can see I have written this program in file 1. So if you want to copy the means this what I have written now, if you want to copy this all this content to file 2, you will type copy file 1 extension of that file means .cpp to file 2.cpp. Overwrite file 2.cpp. Now you will type y one file copied means all the content of file 1 has copied to file 2. Now if you want to see if content of file 1 is copied to file 2 or not, you can now write type file2.cpp. Now you can see what I had written in file 1, all that content has been copied to file2.cpp. So this is the use of copy command. Now we will see move command. Let now I am creating type null file3.cpp. I have created file3.cpp. Now if you want to take all the content of file 1 to file 3 and you don't want that content to be left in file 1, then you will use move command. Move file1.cpp file3.cpp. When we will use move command, this command will move all the content of file 1 to file 3 and nothing will be left in file 1. Now I will enter file 1, the content of file 1 will be moved to file 3. You are asked yes or no, then we will why yes, one file moved means all the content of file 1 has been moved to file 3. Now if you want to see content has been moved to file 3 or not, you can try file3.cpp. Here you can see what I had written in file 1, all that content has been moved to file 3, and you can see these all are content of file 1. When you will use move command, when you will move the content of one file to another file, all the content of first file will be moved to second file, and the file will also be deleted. So if you want to see file 1 is left or not, you can see. Now you can see that there is no file 1, means the content of file 1 has been moved to file 3, and the file 1 means the file 1 has no any content, so it has automatically been deleted. So this is the use of move and copy command.